Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 328 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Quieting Anxiety, a gentle practice to help your mind and body settle. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and gently exhale. Anxiety often pulls your attention into the future, toward what ifs, pressure, and imagined outcomes. For this moment, let all of that drift to the edges. You're safe right here. Feel the air entering your lungs. Feel your chest rise, your shoulders loosen, your breath becoming an anchor, steady, simple, and present. Now, say to yourself, I am here. I am safe in this moment. And my breath brings me back to calm. I am here. I am safe in this moment. And my breath brings me back to calm. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry this calm with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.